guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you this easy garlic and herb chicken recipe. To get started, I already washed and prepped my chicken. I'll be using the skin on the chicken for moisture. And I have here some thyme, rosemary, basil, garlic. I'll be using some pickle juice. The juice that's in the pickle jar, yeah, I'll be using that. I have some seasoned salt, black pepper, bouillon, the zest of 2 lemons, and some olive oil. So the first thing we'll do is add all of our ingredients into a blender and we'll blend it just so we can make the marinade for the chicken. You want to blend not too long. We still want to see those little specks of, the herb inside of the marinade. So you want to blend it just for a few seconds. And once it's blended, this is what it should look like. We are going to pour this into the bag with our chicken now, and we'll marinate this overnight. When I tell you this chicken is so delicious, juicy, and just melts in your mouth. I can't wait for you all to try it. So I'll see you tomorrow once the chicken is well marinated. So fast forward to the next day. Here I have my favorite baking dish, which I will place my chicken in. And you don't want to actually pour the juices into the dish. You don't want the chicken swimming in juices, but you can add some of the remaining herbs over top of the chicken if you prefer. We will bake this in a 400-degree oven uncovered for about 1 hour. After an hour, this is what we are looking at. Absolutely amazing. When I tell you the smell that was coming from my kitchen, it was so divine. All those herbs, the garlic, the lemon, everything was perfect. What I did was baste the chicken with the juices and I just serve it up just as it is. I did serve mine with some asparagus and garlic mashed potatoes, and it was bussin'. I can't wait for you all to give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients I use down in my description box, and I will see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, mwah, enjoy.